Good afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming to you here from RJO Futures with your currency commentary for the afternoon. We're going to take a look at, first off, we did see a wild session in the equities starting last night at the open at 5 o'clock. We did see a gap lower in the overnight. The market has recouped all of its losses from the overnight and then some. We're sitting about 1705 right now in the S&P. Still, we have no debt deal coming out of Washington. But the market seems to be hanging on to every last word that we see come up on the screen. Looking at the U.S. dollar, we did see that market gap lower as well. We put in a low this morning at 80.20, which was a support line. The market did quickly bounce off of 80.20. Right now, we're sitting about 80.35 as we wrap the open outcry session up about 15 minutes ago. We do have the next downside support coming into the dollar at 80. And it appears as if the Fed taper is going to be off the table until at least December with all this nonsense going on in Washington for the moment. So that is still bearish on the U.S. dollar, more Fed QE, bearish U.S. dollar. However, the market is trying to form a little bit of a base here today, but you want to watch for a quick flush back to that 80 mark. Looking at the euro currency, we're up 13 points on the day. All in all, pretty much a sideways trade. We're trading about 135.70. Your first resistance level coming in to the overnight is about 136.11. Like I mentioned, pretty much a sideways trade. Looking at the British pound, I think it's very interesting looking at this market over the past couple of sessions. It looks as if it's forming a little bit of a top up here, but that remains to be seen. We'll see what happens over the next couple of trading sessions. Right now, we're sitting about 159.78. If the market tries to reach back to about 160.35, I'll take a shot at becoming bearish on the on the British pound. So more to come tomorrow. We'll see you back here. As always, you feel free to give me a call anytime, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.